boys and girls. Today we're making a special video for art for Valentine's Day. So, Valentine's Day is all about love, and the color red and the color pink are very important for Valentine's Day. So, what we're going to do today is we're going to learn how to draw a heart, and we're going to learn how to make the color pink. So don't worry if you don't have materials. You could just watch me do it, and then maybe you can use some scrap paper around your house. And if you don't have paint, you can maybe use a pink crayon or a pink marker. So here's what I'm going to do. Now, drawing a heart is kind of hard because the heart is symmetrical, which means it's the same on both sides. And it's really hard to draw that. So if you were going to draw a heart, you draw one side, and then the other side has to be the same. And it's not always easy to do. So I'm going to show you a trick way to make a heart, okay? I'm going to put this black paper up here so that you can see my white paper when I'm done. So I'm going to take this white paper, all right? And instead of drawing a heart with both sides, I'm going to show you a trick. So I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to line up the edges, both edges, and I'm going to fold it. And I'm going to press to make the fold. And so now I have folded paper. And this side with the fold, I'm going to put this here so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to take my marker, and on the folded side, I'm just going to draw a half of a heart like this. Then I'm going to take my folded paper, and here's my scissors. So I'm going to leave the paper folded. It's like this. I'm going to leave it folded, and I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut out the half of a heart, leaving the paper folded. Does anybody know what's going to happen when I open up the paper after I'm done cutting? So I'm going to cut this out on the line. And when I open it, guess what? I have a heart. And it's the same on both sides. It has symmetry. So by folding the paper, drawing the heart, cutting it out, when you open it up, you have a heart. All right, so I'm going to put this up here. Now, I want to paint my heart pink, but I don't have any pink paint. So, remember in the beginning of the school year when we were mixing colors together and making another color? Well, the color white makes colors lighter. So I'm going to do an experiment, and I am going to take some red paint and some white paint, and I'm going to mix them together and see what happens. So I'm going to put a little bit of red in there in my cup, and I'm going to put a little bit of white, and then I'm going to mix them together, and I'm going to see what happens. So I'm going to take my brush. Let's see if we can see this. Okay, so I have the red paint and the white paint. And I'm going to take a little bit of red on my brush, and I'm going to mix it in with the white. Oh, look at that. What's happening? It's turning to pink. Look at that. Red and white makes pink. So pink is really just light red, because white just makes colors lighter. It doesn't change the color. It just makes the color lighter. So mixing white with red, pink is actually just light red. Okay, so then I'm going to take my pink paint and I'm going to paint my heart pink. So there you go. If you don't have pink, you could use red or purple. Purple and red are nice Valentine colors too. So you use whatever you have. If you don't have paint, don't worry. Use a crayon or a marker. And there I have my heart and my pink for your Valentine's Day art lesson. Okay, everybody, have fun. See you later.